Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Your Queen Elizabeth is here with a very amazing platform, guys. So, yes, here is I'm talking about Highfield, guys. If you're new on my channel, Queen Elizabeth, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming videos notification, guys. Here, so guys, let's go. Here we talk about detail about Highfields, how you can use here and how you can join. So let's go and connect with me, guys. And I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss, guys. So guys, let's go. Here is welcome to all of you. This Cling 3.0, the era of AI director, guys, where you have to join and you can create their pro unlimited on all of the Kling models. And here you can create your videos, your profiles with AI tools. It's on to you. What will you create today? Either you create a video or you create a profile image, and what you can take here, and so you connect here with explore Highfields community gallery for stunning mixed media creations, where you can sketch, where you can use a flash comics or exposed papers, and here you can explore your all of the mixed media and with a very visual effect from experience and to surreal transformations. And here you can also join Highfields apps that you can create, you can ready to share this content in only one click. That is from viral effect to polished commercials. No editing is need, guys. You can create your cinematic videos, and you can create like as you have created in the cinemas. And you can also check out here all of the Nano Banana Pro gallery here. And this is the very stunning and very beautiful, very awesome Highfields aesthetic photo labs. Here you can check out, guys. And you can also create your next gen video that is powered by very exclusive presets, seamless transitions, and you can just create this Kling 3.0 model unifying world class 4K visuals, guys, that is very native audio multi shots and into a very single seamless creative engines. Here you can see you can also enhance your audio generation. You can also check out their multi shot narratives, also the directorial physics here. And guys, this is the next Fortuner that is Kling 3.0, and that is extended to cinematic spacings. And here you can use this, and this is the rumor to support native generations to up to 15 seconds. This enables creators to move from 5-second clips to full narrative across here. This is a very absolute subject and consistency, guys. Here you have to create your intelligence scene, like you have to join. This is the our worldwide community where you can also check out 15 million users, their remarks, their reviews here. So you have to just enter the new era of Highfields that is coming soon, and that is Kling AI creative engine. So you can lock your characters, props, voices using the new elements of 3.0 videos that reference system. Guys, here you can also check out here. You can pick your plan here. Here is the pricing, and you can also got here. So this is the get insight from experts blogs. Here you can see you can explore more AI features here, and you can also check out your all of the ultimate powered camera controls. Because you can also explore, you can check out their images like which you can create. You have to go and you can check here. Kling 01 versions, the image flux to ChatGPT. And you can also check out Nano Banana Pro, a high field popcorn source. And you can also edit here your videos, and from which it's to you, either you choose Kling Google variant 3.0 or 1.5. You can also edit, you can use their also their characters, and also you can check out our cinemas and all of our assist price here. So guys, here you can also check out our AI video where you can generate. Here you can see that you have to just go with this our app, and then you can high field. Here you can get your, you can content create with high field on your social medias. And this is the Nano Banana Pro that is unlimited for 365 days on all clean models. And you have to just go and get now, right? What will you create today? This is the create authentic images and videos with natural textures and easy styles. So here is your mixed media, our AI gallery that is very stunning creations. Here you can also see, and you can also view all of our mixed media's platforms, all of our visual effects that here you can check out. And now guys, we I wanna show you our, here is our Twitter official account where you have to just go, you have to follow, like, comment, and you have to use this ultimate AI powered platform for the creators. And we have just lock all of the growth. Imagine real potential here we have built. You can check out all of our news updates of Team 3.0 that is coming soon on high fields. And here is all of our 15-second scripts, multi shots, native audio, perfect characters with all consistency elements where you can check out. And here you can get all of the details here guys. And you have to go and you have to join. Here you can also check out our hair banding subject dissolve into a rolling torrent of air and light that is surging across the space and ethereal gassing current and before reforming here. So here you can go, and here you can also check out, you can explore here, you can create your all of the image of high field soul popcorn nano banana pro. And it's to you, either you choose this or either you go here. You can also edit your videos with AI, and you can also edit your character. You can choose, you can swap here, like video face swap, or it's on to you. And here you can also generate your all of the gallery right here. You can join us, so stay connected with us. See you next video. Thanks for watching guys.